Hello everyone, I am Reena and I want to practice with you, my dear friends. So let me start. This is day one. I'm making video and I wanted to do practice with you, and then it will be good for me. It will be beneficial for me because I have not been practicing for 2-3 days. So due to this reason, I thought myself I have done so many work inside my house, and today it will be beneficial for me. So I decided, then at the end I started speaking with you, my dear friends. It will be beneficial for me. In this way, it has been habit. I have been habit for talking with you. So this is also in front of camera, and sometimes I feel embarrassed, I feel afraid in front of camera. I don't know what is reason behind this, but if we started speaking every single day, we read somewhere, I don't read somewhere something, because I don't know. This is my busy schedule, and yesterday my sister came in my house. So due to this reason, I shared all thoughts together and each other. So due to this reason, I felt just like busy, and then I did not practice for somewhere, and I'm not practicing with someone, in any known person, unknown person. Those are my relatives. I don't know, I have been given this habit, but it's not like that. We will have to practice somewhere and then we can speak. Otherwise we can't speak, because everyone knows about it, and it will be not beneficial for something, for somewhere, and it would be better for everyone and everywhere. So all people, those are very curious towards on their speaking English. And I used to go also in my school. All school, it was based on Hindi medium. All books, it was mathematics, science and grammar. All those were based in different type of subject based on Hindi medium. So we had only one book at English, but we didn't speak with someone, and all teachers, they used to use most of the time also our mother tongue. So then due to this reason, I thought myself I couldn't speak properly, and those person who wants to do speak properly and clearly their thought, they can express their thought clearly. So those are very brilliant, and those are very curious. They have sincerity, and those are very honest, and their level is very 100, full of 100%, and those are very good intelligence, good brain. So then but due to this reason, I didn't think for something, but now I can express my thought and I can speak properly with someone and something, whatever it will become in my mind. But if we want to do fluent speaker, so we will have to speak fluently, and our tongue automatically, deliberately will be just like we will have to speak any something and different something. It would be better properly, and we can express our daily routine as well. So I want to express, I want to make sentence in my daily routine. Today I have wake up at 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock, and then I swept my home, then I bath, and then I cooked, I prepared breakfast, then I served breakfast with my towards on my children, my husband as well. Those were here today. There were no holiday, so due to this reason, those are available here. And then I served them, and then I felt laziness, and I washed so many clothes. And then it was my busy schedule. I felt tired. Then I uh, did rest. I took rest only. I had been uh, doing rest at least 1 hour 2 hour, and after that I felt I must watch something. I don't know what is the reason. I wanted to watch any news related of in this world inside my phone. And then but in this way we can make sentence based on our daily routine. And then after afternoon I swept all my home, and then I washed clothes, any few um, 2 3 dresses, and then I bath. I swept again. I bath again, and then I'm here. It is evening time, and so that at least until unless I wanted to practice for somewhere. So most of the time we will feel challenged. What should I do? What should I express our thoughts easily, appropriately, and with a good way, with proper method. So then we must be speak. We can make some sentence. It would be better. And you before sleeping, you can take some sentence. You can take some rest, and then you can make some sentence based on your daily routine, based on your daily life. So then you will have to explain your thought easily, appropriately, and with good way, with proper manner. So all people, those are very curious, they have sincerity and they have clear thought. So then everyone knows about it, and every people, those are very passionate towards honor. English is not easy. We will have to make take our effort every single day and every day. So if we are ready for preparation for making sentence towards own English, as well as our good direction and good path, so then if we take our effort every single day, only few minutes and few seconds, so then we will be available um, for speak something every single day, and at least 1 hour 2 hour, and it would be better for everything and everywhere. So all people, those are very serious, and it is not easy. It is means difficult task for me, and I don't know if you are beginner. So then in front of others we feel hesitate, we feel afraid during the communication with others, but it's not like that. We must not afraid of others, because those are also human. They have also humanity, and they have good mindset, good curiosity, good brilliant people. They have, those are based on their life they live in this earth, in this land, and inside our the society. And so then at least until unless all people, we will have to understand their thought, their good mindset. So then at least it is very fine, and it would be better for every single day if we practice at least 1 minute 2 minutes. So then it's very fascinating, and we are good person in this in this era. So then at least until unless it is very curiosity, and English is global language, and everyone wants to do speak, but it's not like that. Everyone everyone is unable to understand their thought. They can't express their thought easily, appropriately, because I don't know, because it's not our mother language. It's international language. And then so then we can speak based on our knowledge, based on our life. So everything is fine and everything is available in this era, but it's depend only or liking or passionate. So then if we are interested, so then whenever we can make sentence. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.